It's all about the UGREEN NAS Sync range today, and I've got the awesome DXP4800 Plus in the studio. Now NAS, if you don't know, stands for Network Attached Storage, and it's essentially your own personal server or cloud for home or office. So instead of uploading to say Google or Apple and paying every month, your files stay local, safe and under your control, and they're accessible from anywhere. Basically, they're a much better way to store than an external drive. So as mentioned, we have got the NAS Sync DXP4800 here today in the studio, which is a good middle of the road NAS storage option. UGREEN also have 2, 6 and 8 bay options available, and they've even got a 4-slot all-flash M.2 SSD NAS if you prefer to work with SSDs rather than hard drives. You can shop and compare all of these on the Scan website, but for today we're going to take a closer look at this one. It's powered by an Intel 12th Gen processor, so it can handle multitasking, media streaming and backups with absolute ease. It's got 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and 32 GB of eMMC storage with room for expansion. This NAS box has the capacity to go up to 136 TB of storage using either 3.5 or 2.5 inch drives with SATA interface, and it's compatible with Western Digital, Seagate, Toshiba and many more. So you can just start with one drive and build up, although it is a good idea to start as you mean to go on and organise your files accordingly. For streamers, for instance, especially with Twitch's new 100-hour VOD limit, you could have Twitch backup on one, video projects on the second, Steam game library on, say, drive 3, and then your media centre on drive 4. Whereas a home family setup might look like one drive for entertainment with movies and shows on, making it available on every telly or tablet in the house, another drive for photos and videos, a shared content drive for stuff like schoolwork, recipes, forms, household documents and information, and maybe one just for games. It's even got AI-powered organisation tools so that you can sort photos by faces, places or objects, allowing you to quickly search for that perfect moment. Or you can create personalised albums and share them with family via a QR code or link. The UGREEN NAS Sync app is fantastic and it's got a really user-friendly interface. Once you've installed the drives into the NAS and connected to the network, you then just need to set up an account, and you can use the app on any device to access your files and securely retrieve or share them from anywhere. For transfers and networking, it's got a 10 gigabit Ethernet plus 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port, so you can back up terabytes of high quality stream footage in the blink of an eye. Your archive stays safe and sound, all on a private high-speed network. It's also got HDMI output, so you can stream your 4K content directly to your TV, or you can access it over the network. This is the ultimate backup and media powerhouse for your digital life. So whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or maybe you're just looking to protect your family memories, the UGREEN NAS Sync DXP4800 Plus keeps your digital life organised, secure and lightning fast. You can get yours now at scan.co.uk.